Hi, I'm Alex Risch, Developer Engagement Engineer at GrapeCity. I handle phone support for Documents for Excel, and in this series of Quick Start videos, we'll look at getting started and creating a simple application with this Excel API. This video focuses on creating an Excel document using the API on Linux. Open a terminal window and create a .NET Core console application. Open Visual Studio Code. If you haven't already done so, go to Extensions to install and activate the NuGet Package Manager. Press Ctrl-P to open the File command box. Type a greater than symbol, and in the list that appears, find and click the NuGet Package Manager, Add Package. Type GrapeCity into the search box and press Enter. This should bring up a list of available GrapeCity packages. Select grapecity.documents.xl. This adds a reference to your CSproj file. Next, open program.cs. In a terminal window, type the commands to fetch the references for the CSproj file. Add the two namespaces to program.cs. Now we're ready to create an Excel file. First, create a new workbook in code and add a worksheet so we can begin adding data. Next, we'll initialize our data. I'm copying in a two-dimensional array and assigning it to the value of a worksheet range. Add data for another table. Set row and column widths and heights. Next, add two tables called Income and Expenses. Set them to the range of data added above and apply a built-in table style to each. Let's add some calculations. We'll create two custom names to summarize the income and expenses for the month, and then add formulas that calculate the total monthly income, total monthly expenses, percentage of income spent, and balance. Next, we'll apply conditional formatting. Create a gradient data bar rule to show the percentage of income spent. Modify the built-in styles for currency and heading 1 and apply them to ranges of cells. You can also modify individual style elements for other ranges. Save it to an Excel file named Simple Budget. Let's look at the Excel file. We've added two tables with styles and headings and applied formulas with a data bar. Thanks for creating a simple Excel application with me today. Check out our other documents for Excel videos at grapecity.com.